Thanks, Mel. Finally, I have a family of 4. One more to go, I can form my own basketball team, right? Good morning, everyone. On behalf of HashiCorp team, I would like to say a big thank you for our guests, our customers, and our sponsors, Palo Alto, Westcon, AWS, Cloud Kinetic, Resolve Technologies, New Relay, Yugabyte, and the other dog. Without your generous support, we're not able to make this event successful. I'm truly delighted to welcome each and every one of you to this momentous event. My name is David Chin. I'm the privileged to serve as the Regional Director of ASEAN region. 5 years ago, we landed our first employee in WeWork Singapore. Today, we are supporting most of the country in ASEAN region with many strategic customers who are adopting our solution to support the critical workloads, either it's on-prem or multi-cloud infrastructure. We are very proud to welcome all of you to the largest event HashiCorp has run in this region, with more than 200 people in this room. This significant event is proof that we have reached a new milestone. It's one of the key technology providers in ASEAN region. It's been a challenging year, but we've proven resilient through it, thanks to our customers believing in us and our stronger teams behind us. Today, we embark on a journey of discovery, innovations, and collaboration that will shape the future of cloud infrastructure in our dynamic and rapidly evolving region. I am deeply grateful for your presence here, which signifies your commitment for staying at the forefront of technological advancement. I'm also grateful for Rajay Rai, who is the CIO of Trust Bank, and Pang Yong, the Chief Cloud Engineer and Innovation Officer, from sharing their transformation journey with us later on stage. For the next few hours, we'll dive into the core of our discussions, focusing on HashiCorp's role, vision, and strategies to drive technological excellence in the ASEAN region. In today's interconnected world, technology is not just a tool. It's a driving force that behind businesses, government, individuals alike. It empowers us to solve complex challenges, facilitate progress, and open up exciting growth opportunities together. HashiCorp, it is a rich history of innovation. It's dedicated to creating cutting-edge solutions that help businesses in the region to leverage technologies to the fullest potential. We understand your challenges are unique, and we are committing to provide you the tools and the knowledge for you to need to overcome them. During this event, we'll have opportunity to engage the insightful discussion, learn about the latest industry trends, and explore how infrastructure in our regions has evolved. I encourage you to visit our technology partners booth during lunch and tea breaks. You'll learn about how HashiCorp products integrate with other technologies and solutions to solve specific challenges. Post-lunch, we have a very interesting breakout sessions where our solution engineering team and our partners has prepared a series of tech talk and deep dive sessions. You can choose which session you wish to attend, mainly categorized in infrastructure automations, zero trust, and cloud 2.0. This event just not about the insight you gain. It's about the connection you make, right? The people in this room represent a wealth of knowledge, expertise, and experience. I encourage you to network, share ideas, and build relationships that will help to propel our journey ahead. Without further ado, let's begin the exploration of technology landscape in the ASEAN region and the pivotal role that HashiCorp play to shaping this future. Thank you once again for being here, and let's make the most of this valuable time together. Thank you.